In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a private message on Wattpad. If you want to communicate with another Wattpad user privately, whether it's to discuss a story, collaborate with a writer, or simply chat with a friend, then this tutorial will guide you through the entire process step by step. The method is very simple, and you can do it directly from either your computer or mobile device in just a few minutes. To begin, open your browser or the Wattpad app and sign in to your Wattpad account. Once you are logged in, make sure you are connected to the internet properly so all messaging features load correctly. After signing in, go to the profile of the person you want to message privately. You can find their profile by using the search bar at the top of the screen and typing in their Wattpad username. When you open their profile page, take a look around the available options. Depending on the user's privacy settings and Wattpad's current features, you may see a message option available on their profile. If messaging is enabled for that account, click or tap on the message button to open the private conversation window. Once the chat window appears, you can type your message into the text box. Make sure your message is respectful, clear, and friendly, especially if you are contacting someone for the first time. After writing your message, simply press the send button and your private message will be delivered to the recipient. If you do not see a messaging option on someone's profile, it could mean that the user has disabled private messages or the feature may not currently be available in your version of Wattpad. In that case, you can still interact with the user through public comments on their stories or message boards if those features are enabled. One helpful tip is to avoid repeated messages if the person does not reply immediately. Some users may not check their inbox regularly, so it's always best to be patient and respectful while waiting for a response. Also, remember to avoid sharing personal or sensitive information in private chats for your own safety and privacy. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, sending a private message on Wattpad is quick and easy once you know where to find the messaging feature. It's a great way to connect with other readers and writers within the Wattpad community. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.